Discover Spotify ads. Want to reach people while they stream music and podcasts? Spotify ads provide a powerful way to connect with millions of engaged listeners. Let's dive into how it works and how you can get started. What are Spotify ads? Spotify ads let businesses promote their brand using audio, video, or display ads on Spotify's free tier. These ads play between songs or during podcasts, reaching users on mobile, desktop, smart TVs, and beyond. Ad types. Here are the different types of ads you can choose from. Audio ads, short, engaging 15 to 30-second clips played between songs. Video ads, eye-catching ads shown when users are actively engaging with the app. Podcast ads, seamlessly integrated into popular podcast episodes. Display ads, attract attention with banners, overlays, and homepage takeovers. How to start advertising on Spotify. Ready to get started? Here's how. Create an account on Spotify Ad Studio. Sign up for Ad Studio at ads.spotify.com, Spotify's self-serve ad platform. Choose your ad format. Take an audio or video ad based on your campaign goals. Target your audience. Select your audience based on age, gender, location, interests, and even listening habits. Upload or create your ad. Upload your own ad, or create one using Spotify's free voiceover tool. Set budget and launch. Choose a daily or lifetime budget and go live. Ads can start at just $250. Why use Spotify ads? Here's why Spotify ads are worth your investment. Massive reach, tap into over 600 million global users. Unique targeting, reach listeners based on their preferences and habits. High engagement, users are active and attentive during their listening sessions. Flexible budgeting, start small and scale your efforts as you grow. Spotify ads are a smart, modern way to connect with your audience wherever they are listening. It's perfect for boosting awareness and engaging through audio. Start reaching your audience with Spotify ads today.